Beyond technology and capital, it's the founder's mindset that builds a unicorn. They create realities, not just companies. They think in terms of problems, not products, obsessing over pain points to create outlier solutions. Most startups fail because they love their idea too much. Unicorn founders understand problems better than their customers do. Paul Graham. Unicorn founders act fast, take calculated risks, and embrace uncertainty, which separates leaders from dreamers. The courage to decide when everyone else is waiting for certainty is what sets them apart. Reid Hoffman. They challenge market and social rules, yet uphold fundamentals like trust and integrity, essential for sustainability. The market rewards innovation but sustains ethical businesses. Ben Horowitz. Culture is critical. Founders decide the company DNA early, focusing on emotional and ethical alignment. Culture is the product. The company will grow with it or die without it. Tony Hsieh. Execution is paramount. A brilliant idea without execution is worth nothing. They systematize processes. Ideas are commodities. Execution is a rare art. Mark Andreessen. Unicorn founders visualize the endgame from the start, shaping every choice with a clear vision. Great companies start with great visions but win with consistent actions. Jeff Bezos. To think like a unicorn founder, cultivate a mindset of clarity, resilience, and commitment to a greater purpose.